Hello friends, our next chapter is fraction. Before seeing this fraction chapter, I will going to be ask you one question. In your school, if your friends is forgotten the tiffin, okay, so and what you are doing if the friends don't bring the tiffin, we are giving our chapati, whatever we are bringing, we are giving some part from our tiffin to the our friend. And it is, as we know, that sharing is very good habit, we should share the things. Okay, so if you are sharing to your friends, you are, what you are doing, you are taking some part of your tiffin box and you are giving to your friend. Okay, first of all, if you have only one chapati, okay, if you have one chapati, so and you are giving half to your friend, half to you, and you are keeping half to you. So how each one will get half chapati? Yes or no? Yes. Like that here. It is given in an example. You can see here it is one roti. Okay, first of all we will read this and we will try to understand what they are want to say. If one bhakri means your chapati, you can say, if one bhakri is divided equally between two people. Okay, so we have one roti, as you can, if you able to see here, you have one roti, and this roti you are dividing into two part. So each part is belonging to one person. Okay, so this part you will get and this part your friend will get, means each person is getting half. This will be half this 1/2, and half your friend will get. Okay, so here if one bhakri is dividing equally between the two people, each will get an half bhakri. As you have seen in that picture also, the fraction half is written as 1/2. Here 1 is in numerator and 2 is in denominator. You have seen one number which is 1/2. 1/2 means this types of number. You have seen this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your natural number. Okay, so we are using which numbers we are using for counting. These are the natural number. Okay, if you have a negative number, 1, -2, these are the negative number. We have so many types of number, but if you have in this form of number, means A/B form, in this form means 1/2, this form of a number is called as fraction. Clear? A/B or any types of, if you are saying 3/4, 5/6, 7/8, these are the example of fraction. Okay, now we will see what is the fraction. We'll see like that. If a number is in the form of A/B, is called as fraction, but the main condition is that B should not be 0. The downside number we can't write 0. Okay, so we can't say like that 1/0 is a fraction. No, this is not a fraction, because in denominator, in downside, what we have? 0. Now we can see, as we know, that if we are having 0 in the denominator, that number is not a fraction. Now we can see like that the up we can see, if you see this number 1/2, this we have a upper part, this top part, and this is downside part. So this upside part is known as numerator, and the denominator is known as, downside part is known as denominator. So we have 1 as numerator, 2 as denominator. In this number 3/4, we can say 3 is a numerator and 4 is in denominator. Okay, so we have, now if we will see this number, in this number 4/5, which is numerator and which is denominator, 4 is in numerator and 5 is in denominator. Okay.